Does the hotel have a swimming pool?
Does the hotel have a swimming pool?
Yes, it's on the second floor.
Yes, it's on the second floor.
Is there a fitness center here?
Is there a fitness center here?
Yes, it's open 24 hours.
Yes, it's open 24 hours.
Does the hotel have a restaurant?
Does the hotel have a restaurant?
Yes, it's on the first floor.
Yes, it's on the first floor.
Is there a bar at the hotel?
Is there a bar at the hotel?
Yes, it's next to the lobby.
Yes, it's next to the lobby.
Does the hotel have a laundry room?
Does the hotel have a laundry room?
Yes, it's near the elevators.
Yes, it's near the elevators.
Is there a business center here?
Is there a business center here?
Yes, it's in the lobby.
Yes, it's in the lobby.
Does the hotel offer room service?
Does the hotel offer room service?
Yes, it's available 24 hours.
Yes, it's available 24 hours.
Is breakfast served at the hotel?
Is breakfast served at the hotel?
Yes, it's served downstairs.
Yes, it's served downstairs.
Does the hotel have free parking?
Does the hotel have free parking?
Yes, parking is free for guests.
Yes, parking is free for guests.
Is there a spa at the hotel?
Is there a spa at the hotel?
Yes, it's on the third floor.
Yes, it's on the third floor.
Does the hotel have a hot tub?
Does the hotel have a hot tub?
Yes, it's next to the pool.
Yes, it's next to the pool.
Is there a kids area here?
Is there a kids area here?
Yes, it's near the pool.
Yes, it's near the pool.
Does the hotel offer airport shuttles?
Does the hotel offer airport shuttles?
Yes, but reservations are required.
Yes, but reservations are required.
Is there a coffee shop here?
Is there a coffee shop here?
Yes, it's near the lobby.
Yes, it's near the lobby.
Can guests use the pool at night?
Can guests use the pool at night?
Yes, until 10 p.m.
Yes, until 10 p.m.